Magandang araw and welcome to the 12 tags of code mas my teacher gave to me. Need to collect an email or want users to search your site? You need a digital clipboard. Today, we will look at the form tag, which is the necessary container for collecting any information from your user. Come and let's build a functional form. By the way, here's the video I learned the codes from. Form tag is used to create a container for collecting user input, like text fields, email address, or buttons, usually to send the data somewhere, like an email list. I think of the form tag as the clipboard you get when you walk into a doctor's office. It holds all the different input fields, like the lines you fill out for your name, your address, etc. And is responsible for making sure the collected information gets submitted when you hit the submit button. So in layman's term, it is the survey box. Here are the codes I use. My handout 6 activity, the previous code, and the result of our current code. Thanks for watching!